Hi, and welcome to today's video. As many of you know, we design and release a new scrapbooking and junk journaling kit every single month. We're going to go over the April kit today, and there's a few fun things I got to mention. So, first and foremost, this month we're doing kind of something fun. We're doing a free masterclass, and that's releasing tomorrow on April 2nd. I'll do a little preview and talk a little bit about that at the end of this video, but for now we're going to review our April kit. So first and foremost, if you want this kit, you can purchase it one time or you can subscribe. If you subscribe, you're going to be able to save money, but you can only do that during the current month. And then if you ever want this kit or any of our other past kits, you can get that on our Etsy shop or on our website. We have made nearly 40 of these big kits, so if you don't like this one, there's plenty other ones on our website, and we're doing a really good sale for the first few days of this release, so go check out our sites and pick up something that you enjoy. But we're here to talk about the April kit, so let's get into it. This is the Lace and Fern kit. There are 63 pages, which I believe that's the largest kit we've ever done. And they are all so good. You're going to get a lot of variety in this kit and just so many unique pieces. The next few minutes of this video, we're taking a close-up of everything in the kit. So section 1 is just the papers. A good collection will always have good papers, so I love the ones in this kit. I take a lot of time designing these ones and try and make sure that everything coordinates and looks good together. And yes, there's a lot, and that's because we want you to have plenty of options. And we can't forget about the neutrals. Neutrals are super important for a good kit, and these ones are just simple but have a nice, subtle texture that really will add something to your journal or your paper projects, and they look a little bit vintage as well. We're slowly working our way from larger pieces to smaller, so this next one is double pages. Double pages are just easy to fold in half and use in certain projects. You can also just use them as regular papers. They're pretty versatile. Next, we have tags and some other pieces that somewhat resemble tags. Lots of different sizes, lots of different colors. Tags are great when they incorporate the colors of the kit. They're great to write on, used as inserts everywhere, stack, whatever it is. They're so much fun. In this kit, we do have a few envelopes as well. I think because a lot of the pieces in this kit are so large, it was important to have some larger envelopes and some pieces that are going to fit onto those large pages. So we have 2 large envelopes and 2 medium-sized envelopes. They are ready to be embellished. Next up, we have some small tidbits and tags, layering pieces. These are just so great for that. You have some color blocks, small tidbits, and a kind of a page of these grungy stamps. This next one is kind of controversial. You guys will have to let me know what you think about it, but if you don't like it, you don't have to use it. The controversial ones are the little fairy dolls. Some people love them, some people hate them. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of in between. I love them. I think they're kind of fun. Definitely mix it up and really cute. Keep in mind you can print these at different sizes as needed. A lot of you know one of my favorite sections is the ephemera. Ephemera will make or break your journals. I always try and include a big variety of that with different sizes, shapes, and colors. And we're just going to breeze through the rest of this because you guys already know the drill. You kind of know what to expect. More ephemera, great layering pieces, just a big variety. Plenty of things for you to use to create a wonderful journal. Just a little bit of extra pieces. You're going to find the most darling little frames. You can put photos on the inside or on top of it if you don't want to cut out that middle piece. Some collage kits, some file folders. A lot of good things. Some more extras, and you guys, one of my favorite pages is coming up, and I just want you to take a second and see if you enjoy it. But I love those butterflies, love these collage pieces. That is my favorite page. I think it's stunning. Some quote cards, and of course, more fussy cuts. Also included in the April kit are a bunch of neutrals. So some neutral file folders with some add-ins. These incredible restored vintage photos. I mean, some of them are so darling. Some neutral pockets. And finally, these darling tearaway quotes. Anyways, I hope I got everything. Like I said, 63 pages, a lot to go through in a short amount of time. But you can go through and check it out for yourself. There's a lot of good things. Next up, I want to talk about the masterclass. So I don't normally do this, but here is the journal that I made this month. it is incredible. I still obviously have some pages that are a little bit more blank and can be added onto things, but this is just the little preview that I wanted to show you. What makes this masterclass different than other ones is that it has a very loose outline that is designed for any level of paper crafter. You can make it as hard or as easy as you want. So you're going to see some creative prompts and exercises that will kind of give you some freedom to try some new things while using a kit and using what you already have. And no, you don't have to use my kits. I'm totally okay with you guys using what you have. I just am here to inspire you and show you what I like to do. Just know that we're gonna have a good time. And that's it for this video. I tried to keep it short and classy. If you can, please leave a like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. It means the world when you guys do that, and it helps out my small business so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited to dive a little bit deeper into this month's kit. I really put my heart and soul into this one, and I am so pumped. See you in the next video.